At Ag Tyres Wheels, we specialise in agricultural tyre and wheel packages that meet the specific requirements of Australian farmers, designed and manufactured in our Bendigo facility. Our manufacturing process involves careful consultancy and precision engineering to provide correct track widths and load bearings for agricultural machinery to make sure our tyre and wheel packages do exactly what our customers require. Consultation and Design. We consult to gain an understanding of each farmer's requirements, ensuring the tyre and wheel configuration will operate optimally for their specific machinery and terrain. We then design and prepare the custom wheel package, considering the intended end use. Engineering. The Ag Tyres Wheels engineering team then builds the custom wheel package. We source high-quality steel components, modified through quality workmanship to build a long-lasting wheel assembly. The components are machined using advanced manufacturing techniques and state-of-the-art equipment. The process involves laser cutting, milling, drilling and welding. Finishing and testing. After engineering, the custom wheels undergo testing processes to confirm the wheel will not affect tyre integrity and perform to the conditions. Presentation. The wheels are finished on site. All wheels are shot blasted and powder coated to match your machinery brands. Also, custom finishes are available on request. Tyre selection. We partner with the world's leading agricultural tyre brands. Tyres are selected from our vast range of on-site stock, delivering quick turnaround times. Every custom wheel meets our high quality and performance standards. Thorough inspections are performed before delivery to our customers. Our expertise in configuring agriculture tyre and wheel packages, precision manufacturing, high-quality steel wheel components and finishing services make us a reliable and trustworthy partner in the Australian ag industry. And at Ag Tyres Wheels, we will deliver anywhere in Australia. So, if you require custom tyre and wheel packages for your ag machinery, contact Ag Tyres Wheels and let's make tracks.